All right, ladies and gentlemen. Let me turn my lights on, bro. Hang on. Get my lights on, man. All right. Good morning, everyone. Let's get down to business. All right, so let's do us a little top-down analysis like we always do. News came out bullish for the indices, so that's something to put in the back of our minds. Now let's go to the daily. Now, obviously, from last week, we saw that, from last Friday, we knew that we were tapping into this daily inefficiency right here. So, internal to external, that could mean, right? It doesn't have to mean this, but it could mean that the draw on liquidity is this right here. All right, let me move this. Could mean that the draw on liquidity is that high on the daily, right? And I only say could be because, right now there is some bullish SMT between ES and NQ. Bearish SMT between ES and NQ, because as you guys can see, ES has already taken this high while NQ has not. So that's something that we have to keep in mind, right? Going down to the 4 hour, we also see that we are in this bearish fair value gap with that bearish SMT, okay? And so far, we haven't really respected it as far as pushing away from it, but we are still within it, which means this very well could still fall off a cliff if it wants to. 1 hour, same thing, just a smaller fair value gap, okay? We're in a smaller 1 hour fair value gap. This one looks more like it's respecting a little bit. Something I'm also seeing on NQ is like this little low resistance liquidity run down here. There is like some trend line liquidity sitting down here, so they could very well want to get that. So something I think is 100% a possibility is, let me delete this because we already know where we're at now. So something that I think is 100% a possibility is we can take out yesterday's high or the previous day's high, that being Friday's high, right? And if we are bearish, right, we can see this thing sell off and fall off a cliff. Right? That's one thing I think that is totally possible if that bearish SMT wants to hold up. Or if we are bullish, we can just, continue to take off to the upside. But we do have to keep that bearish SMT in mind. I don't want to just forget about it and say that I'm completely bullish today. So I guess as far as my bias goes, I'm remain open. I think in the short term, I guess I'll say I want to remain bullish until at least this high gets taken, right? The previous day's high. And then maybe after that, I might entertain going short. So we'll see. We'll see, man. But we got to see if we got any witnesses against us. Right? So right now, right, we got higher time frame, bearish fair value gap, and SMT. So that's basically two things going against being bullish, right? But then talking about being, bearish, we swept liquidity in a bullish fair value gap that we are respecting on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So that's two things going against being bearish. So unfortunately, we are like in between PD arrays. So we just got to see which one they want to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm open to do either. I'm cool with buying. I'm cool with selling. Just show me what we going to do so I can get in on it. And I really want to just go ahead and get this doggone combine over with, bro. Like, I've been dragging this thing out for too long. So I will say I'm sniffling, bro, and that is not a good sign, bro. It's not good at all that I'm sniffling, bro. London didn't do a thing, bro. This is your accumulation right here. The question is this your manipulation, though? Is this little up move your manipulation? That's the question. Here's bullish S&T on the 5-minute too between ES and NQ. Let's look at YM. So YM played out perfectly, exactly how I said it. And would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? Y'all remember this oil trade I talked about on Friday? I remember this. Remember I said draw probably down here. Now you obviously would have had to hold overnight, which you over the weekend, which I know most of y'all ain't gonna do, but we eventually got down there. Perfect little liquidity sweep down there. Y'all see that? Am I better than ICT? No, I'm playing, bro. I'm playing. Let me stop playing before he put me in one of his little rants. But yeah, that was beautiful. Easy money right there. Let's look at the bot gold. That boy Ken, man. Like it did eventually come down here when nobody needed it anymore. I remember we was trying to get long from this. Looked like it would have failed first, but like the draw still the same. Going to this high. That girl gold, man. She be doing us wrong. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see what this macro does at 950. I would love to to be honest, I want to lean more towards bullish, like I said, to take this out. That's what I want to do. But I don't want to jump the gun too early. We got 10 minutes before the macro, so let's just be patient. Let me go ahead and tell this boy Ken. This is low-key looking decent. I definitely would want to get in on a move to this high. If possible. I don't know if I really want to take an entry off the 1 minute into there though. I want to wait for the macro if I'm gonna be honest. But we can kind of let's scope the scenery out. What would this look like? All right, relax. Let's not start acting crazy and just pumping. Let's relax. That's a decent move, low-key. Let's relax. Let's not do anything crazy. I don't know. I low-key like this. Moving averages right there as well. CISD right here. Man, I think your boy low-key getting sick, bro. I think I am. Hang on. Beautiful thing about trading, my nose can be running. I could be getting sick, but I can still make money. I don't gotta call in nowhere. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm not gonna take this. I'm just gonna. We just gonna tape read this for right now. This low key though, if we are bearish and we set up this like bearish uni, I may like that. Not taking that though. Look at that, bro. Oh my god. You know how tight it would have been if I would have had my well, had a limit right there, bro. I did say we got bearish SMT, so being bearish wouldn't be totally crazy. We just gotta see if, because right now, we do something like this maybe. See, the very next candle will have to just continue down. Because see, that right there is about to invalidate this. Yeah. Let's delete that. See, this is what they mean when they say looking for something clear, right? This is a clear candle that we are about to go down, bro. So, I guess right now in the short term, I'm going to be bearish until new information is given to me. We got 5 minutes before the macro. This stop loss will be way too big. 21. Yeah, no. Bruh. I think they got me, y'all. But now we got bullish SMT again. See, sometimes this is why I be wanting to do away with SMT, bro. Because sometimes, bro, it'll just start creating it all over the place. This was beautiful, man. oil trade. Let's look at gold. That boy Powell speaking at lunch. I'll say this. If this 1 hour candle just like invalidates these bullish fair value gaps right here, your boy might be going short. But we gotta see. Bruh. Little 4 hour fair value gap as well. All right. See, this is how quickly things can change in the market, bro. Originally, I was like, well, if we can close below this on the 1 hour, maybe. But now we starting to get displacement back up. Now I just really want to be careful. I don't want to be caught in like a seek and destroy type of day, man. Where I'm just getting cut up. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the macro, bro. The macro will tell me what it wants to do, which we're about to get into right now. This is one big fair value gap right here. Come on. We're in the macro. Let's see if it wants to hold on that. No bullish SMT anymore. Okay. Do. Respect the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. I don't know. We get like a little BPR over here. I may get my feet wet and try a short. Maybe. Well, would you look at that? I think we're about to get the perfect BPR. And if that's the case, hang on. See, I'm not liking how this candle is looking, bro. I don't want to be caught in seek and destroy, man. I think if I want to get this all done in one swoop, I think I need like 95 points, something like that. Something crazy, or maybe even like 97, 98. Something wild. Something that, would be nice. But I don't know if I'm really looking for it. This 15-minute looks super bearish, bro, with these wicks to the upside. 1 hour looking super bearish with, again, wicks to the upside. If I did, you're looking at sick. Hang on. Bro, they trying to do seek and destroy, man. They trying to catch us, bro. About to inverse this. You gotta be joking. Hang on, y'all. They trying to get us. BPR. What we gonna do? Create another BPR over it, bro? They really trying to get us, man. They trying to get us in that seek and destroy, man. This is looking decent on the 4 hour. I don't know, man. It would be a shame if we just chop around AM session, bro. Rather get our CISD here, possibly. That's your change in the state delivery. Another BPR. See, now I gotta wait, man, because now I don't trust any of these PD arrays since all of them are failing, bro. I gotta see how it reacts coming off of that before I pull the trigger on it. And it may just leave me, but that'll be okay. But I don't trust any of these, bro, since they all want to fail. They got your boy nose running, man. Of course, that would be a sniper entry if it just takes off from there. Versus 3-minute fair value gap. We just got to be patient, man. what I would want to see is like if we can displace back up and kind of like inverse this huge bearish fair value gap. I wouldn't mind seeing that. Bearish SMT at these highs. Especially like if we can inverse this little gap on the 15-minute. It might give me a little bit more confidence to go long, possibly. But yeah, bro. 'Lows on gold. But again, I feel like that high is the draw. Bro, are we bearish, bro? If we're gonna be bearish, then give me a freaking clean play, bro. Like, if we're gonna be bearish, then be bearish. But good lord. See, this looks interesting. $15 about to close. Looking like, I don't know, dude. It's looking like Seek and Destroy. That's what it's looking like to me, bro. But if we can get a fair value gap coming up out of here, I may consider a long. Delete some of this crap. All right, we just inverse this on the 15-minute. Good morning, man. Good morning. Man. I think these folks done got me sick, man. There's some displacement. Let me look. Oh my God, bro. Still in the macro. Got off of Amazon, bro. Amazon. Bro. This ain't the price action I want to see, man. Like, yeah, we inverse this, but we still got. Okay, never mind. If we can inverse this on the 1 minute, that would make it even better. If we can close above that line right there, I'd give this a shot. Good Lord, my stop would have to be down. No, I just have my stop. And of course, we don't close above it, bruh. Good Lord. But I feel like we about to inverse this 1 minute gap. And if so, oh yeah, looking like we ready to go. Let's see. Let's see if we can get in here, man. Like I said, I feel like at least initially the draw is the previous day high. I ain't looking for nothing crazy. I want like no crazy 200-point move. I feel like this right here is good enough. And that would give me more than enough to go ahead and pass this thing today. Let's make sure it just don't want to leave us. You know what I'm saying? Because if it wants to leave, then that'd be tragic, bro. Looking like we about to get a 5-minute CISD right here. Possibly. If we can get a candle body to close above that. Oh my God, bro. Oh no, we got the 5-minute CISD. I'm tripping. That was a 3-minute. There's a 5-minute CISD right there. I'm tripping. That was a 3-minute. Yeah, 5-minute closed above. That is super bullish. $15-minute looking decent. All right, I ain't about to buy way up here. I would want to see us come down here. Make sure we ain't got no. There is still some bearish SMT, bro. Oh, Lord. all of this trading stuff is just waiting for the right opportunity, man, trying to time it right. Macro's about to end. So let's see. There's still bullish S&T because NQ took the London low and ES did not. So we got bullish and bearish. So I'm probably just going to table that and just go off of I kind of want this third candle in the sequence to close a little bit better than that, though. I'm thinking about going long. I kind of want to see the previous day high get taken. Like before I even think about selling off. We got our change in the state delivery here. Now, could I be wrong? Yes, but I'm never wrong. And that's just a lie. Part of me, low-key, just wants to enter off of this. Because that'll give me slightly better RR. I think what I might do is, oh yeah, it looks way better. Yeah, it looks way better. Yeah, this is how I wanted this to close. Now we just gotta hope for this thing to come back. Now I am definitely confident in going long. Yeah, we still got a little bit of bearish S&T, but I'm expecting this to fail. I'm expecting ES to go ahead and clear that up. So I will be let me see. $15-minute looking great, but still got 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. And that bearish S&T is still there, unfortunately. I don't know. I may give it a shot, though. Sorry, y'all. Not too lively today, man. I think they're trying to get me sick, man. Let go. She going after exactly what I thought on Friday. Let's see. This girl may not want to come back for us, bro. It's looking like she's trying to just go. And I'm not about to chase it, bro. Macro's over. I'm telling you right now, bro. If I'm about to be sick, I'm about to buy the college football 25. I'm about to get the deluxe so I can get it today at 4 p.m., bro. If I'm gonna be sick, I'm gonna be being productive with my time. Equal highs here. Come on, NQ. I just want to get in on this move. Not crazy. What I could do is, since I can see it going both ways, I could just wait for it to come into here. See a reaction on the 1 minute, enter off a 1 minute chart. Because I honestly could just like make a case to go either way. Who's texting in my Discord, bro? Finding being an internet for assessing the system I've been building for the past 2 years. Yeah, I forgot this man trading options, bro. I really hate that ES just couldn't ruin that bearish SMT, bro. Really hate that. So now, since that bearish SMT is still present, I am just gonna wait for the 1 minute reaction if we come down into that on NQ, even though ES is already 5692. Yeah, created equal lows. I'm just gonna wait for the reaction coming up out of there, bro. If it comes down there, this could very well just want to go, which would be irritating. Or we could have a situation like Friday where the 15 minute forms a fair value gap, and we got to find an entry off the 1 minute from the 15 minute fair value gap. But we just inversed another big old bearish fair value gap from PM yesterday. When all these PD arrays is failing, that's letting me know that this right here for sure has to be the draw. Well, I won't say for sure, but it's leaning towards that being the draw. We just got to see if we can get in on it, man. This thing trying to go. Like right now, the only setup you could have got was taking this inverse on the 3 minute, which I thought about, especially after seeing these rejections coming up out of here. But I really want to just wait for the 1 minute reaction coming up out of that 5 minute fair value gap. I'm getting sick though, bro. Eyes all tired, bro. NQ, don't do me like this, man. Telling everybody you my girl and you over here embarrassing me. Not coming back to my zones. Like, what are you doing? Let's put a little alert on that. Like I said, I'm not entering right off of this fair value gap. If it does come down, I want to for a reaction on the 1 minute. Let's see if we can get that. But right now, bro, this thing just messing around. We may have to do. If you gonna come down here, bro. Like, stop playing around. Goodness gracious. Like, good Lord, just come down here if you're gonna do it. Like, look at this foolishness, bro. Generated buy side up here. All right. Generated up there. Just come down here, tap into that fair value gap, and let me decide if I want to take me a little entry. That's all I need you to do. Because I really want to pass this, like, sooner rather than later. Because I don't want to be live streaming every day. I'm going to be honest. I'm just going to be honest with y'all. I don't want to be live streaming every day. So the quicker I can get this done, the better. I'm going to keep my word and go live until I pass this first account. But I really don't want to do this every day. So the quicker I can pass this, the better. And somebody was like, yo, Chris, you going to go live? What if you fail it? What if? What if I fail it? Who cares? Even if I fail it, so what? You know what I'm saying? Then y'all will really see, yeah, this real life trading right here. Like, if I blow it, I blow it. Like, if I just go like on a crazy losing streak and blow, you know, $5,500 worth of drawdown, then hey, tough. But I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying, let the fear of failing in front of people stop me from doing something, bro. Like, what? Plus, you know, a pastor said this yesterday at church. He was like, anxiety is just having more faith in Satan than it is in God. Right? If you have anxiety over something, right, you're believing the bad more than you believe the good. You have more faith in Satan than you do in God. You have more faith in Satan's plan than you do in God's plan. Right? With the disciples on the boat, and they were like, Jesus, we about to drown, and Jesus sleeping. He said, where is your faith? Right? Not, you don't have any faith. He said, where is your faith? In other words, he was saying, you know, your faith is misplaced, right? You got more faith in the storm than you do in me. Is NQ really about to do that to us, bro? Yeah, that girl gold, she about. Oh my God, bro. We got about 39 minutes. Well, about an hour. But realistically, probably like 39 minutes before I'm ready to call it if I ain't seeing what I want to see. Like right now, NQ is just playing around. It could have very easily just tapped this in right here. Well, tapped this fair value gap a point away, literally. You know what I'm saying? And let me decide if I wanted to, you know, take a trade or not. Look at that, bro. Goodness gracious. I'm not about to get FOMO'd into a trade, bruh. I ain't about to force a trade because they want to act stupid. Turn the AC on. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I feel like I'm getting sick, bruh. Nose running. Eyes sore. Neck sore. Like, bruh. Annoying, man. Appreciate that, bro. I'm really bullish, but I really want to see this come back down to this fair value gap, so I can get a chance to decide if I want to take this. Got this nice little juicy order block right here as well. Like, come on, man. Let's put an alert back on NQ down here since this first one faked us out. Sorry, bro. I'm just listening to me sniffle this whole time, bro. Let's see if we can get a pullback. Got 5 minutes before this 15-minute candle closes. Oh my God. Please don't go, bro. Please. Don't leave us. That would be the lamest thing ever. You get less than 49, 50, 40. You get less than a point and a half away from tapping that fair value gap and you just take off. That would be crazy. That would be ES behavior, and I would have to start looking at NQ differently. That would be ES in gold behavior. Remember, y'all, profit target is 159,000. Well, for me, 159 to like 130, something like that. I gotta earn like an extra $130, something like that. Cause I had one trade where I made like $4,564, something like that. And I wasn't even trying to make that much. It's just, had an impulsive move right at my TP, and then slippage made me make more, which most cases is a good thing. But in the case of Top Step, it was not a good thing because now I gotta earn an extra $100. So what's that gonna earn like an extra $200 just to be safe? 3,700 away right now, so we'll just say I need to make 3,900. And let's see, 3,900 divided by 40. That's 97.5 point move on NQ. Again, y'all, I'm always marking out how much I need exactly, but I'm not gonna, if I do get into a trade and I'm deep in profit, right, but I haven't hit the 97.5 points, I'm not gonna let it come all the way back to break even. Like, that's just like best case scenario. I would love to just knock this out the park in one trade to get it over with. But, you know, if I do have to close it before then, I will. Like, I'm not gonna hold it till Kingdom Come and, you know, be up $2,000. But then because I want the, you know, final 3,700, 3,900, whatever, oh, now I'm about to let it come all the way back to my entry. Nah. I did that before and it low-key kind of ruined it, right? Because there was like a couple times, like when I was super close to passing on like my aggressive account, I was always trying to get it in one trade, right? And so on the aggressive account, like I would literally hold, even if I was at like 1,500, 1,800, whatever, I would try to hold it to get it done in one, and I would let it come all the way back to break even. But if I just would have took the profit, you know, or not let it come all the way back to break even, you know what I'm saying, I probably would have passed that one. See, folks in the Discord, they know, man, the aggressive account, I was flying through that, bro. But then I had like one day where I kind of went on tilt and blew the account low key. But I was flying through the aggressive account. I rarely took an L in the aggressive account. Oh my God, man. Here this thing go. If this don't want to come back to this fair value gap, y'all, I might just have to call it. Like if it just start pushing up, I'm going to call it. Because it's obviously trying to leave without us if it don't want to come back down in here. Like, come on, we got a little 15-minute gap. We got a 5-minute gap. Certainly you want to come back down here first. Certainly. This counter right here. Nah, this one right here, low key was giving me hope that was going to drop down. New 15-minute candle. 10:30. Just drop, drop, drop. Oh my God, bro. It ain't looking great, y'all. Looking like that 3-minute inverse was probably your only chance if this does decide to go. This little 3-minute inverse right here. Let me delete this. And let me delete this. Looking like this 3-minute inverse was your only chance, bro, if this decides to take off, which would be super annoying. Looking like that was your only chance to really get in before this thing wanted to go. That's crazy, man. Oh my God, dude. Hey guys, the SMT is gone. What's up, Jay Porter? Right now, you're just watching me get irritated at these charts, bro. Because it's not doing what I want it to do, man. All it had to do was come tap into this 5-minute fair value gap. That's all it had to do. And they didn't want to do that. And now it's looking like it wants to take off, which is annoying. Maybe I'm just easily annoyed too because I'm getting sick, bro. Maybe I'm just easily annoyed right now. That's right. Drop down. Now, what would be really sad is, you know what I'm saying? It comes back down. We waiting for it to drop and then end up taking the L. That would be hilarious, bro. Yes. Yes. Drop down. You don't want to go take that high yet. You want to let Chris and the gang get in there before you do that. That's right. That's right. Come on down. No. What are you doing? What's going to be sad is if this 1 minute fair value gap holds it and it continues higher. I ain't taking this because I ain't going to chase the trade, but it's looking like that's what's about to happen, bro. It's looking like they're going to try to hold this and continue higher, which would be sad. This line is where I feel like the draw is today. Right? The previous day's high. Delete that. And that's like this line right here. That is what I believe the draw is. And like I said, what's sad is, man, the only opportunity it gave you was just a 3 minute inverse fair value gap, bro. Which I thought about. I'm not going to trade YM. Gold, I feel like its draw is still up here, but it's basically already there. Gold has about 3.5 more points to go for its objective to be hit, in my opinion. Like, come on, NQ. Fair value gap right there at equilibrium. Like, come on. Gotta come back. I'm gonna be real with y'all. If this gets hit, I'm probably just gonna call it for the day. Because that's where I feel like, you know, we're going for the day. And if it wants to hit that without me, I don't know if I want to try to catch something else to maybe, you know, look to continue higher or whatever. Like, if it hits this, I might just call it for the day. Which would suck, because that would be yet another day where I am right, but could not get the move, bruh. Or could not get in on the move. Not far away now. Yeah, y'all. I think we're cooked. I don't think it's gonna drop back down. At least not before tapping that. I could be wrong. The Lord may, you know, decide to step in and bring it back down for us. This little fair value gap did end up holding, and this little baby 4 hour one as well. That'll be crazy, bro. If like all these days in a row I'm getting the draw right, I just can't get in on the move because price ain't doing what I wanted to do, bro. That'll be so irritating, man. That is irritating, actually. Like it's, oh, man, super irritating. I need this to drop immediately, preferably before 11:30, bro. Because after 11:30, I'm not too confident in taking trades, bro. Because we all know lunch be playing around. While we're here, if you guys ain't following me on Instagram, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Um, Low key, I haven't been posting too much on Instagram lately, but you know, I plan on getting back on there soon. And then if you ain't in the Discord, man, make sure y'all get in the Discord, bro. It's a good community in there. It's a great community in there. Got some good people in there, good vibes. What's up, Remy? How you doing today? Yes, now this is what I want to see. At least some rejection to the upside. Please come back down and give us a chance to get in. Please. It would be beautiful if we can tap that fair value gap in line with like the macro at 1050, bro. That would be excellent. If we can do that. Come on, don't do that. Don't start going higher. I need you to drop immediately. Hey man, you just gotta make them 2 L's back, bro. That's all it is to it. Sometimes you just sit in silence and it'll do what you want it to do. Look at all this foolishness, man. It's crazy that this little woman in fair value gap is deciding to hold price, bro. Little stuff like this, bro. Stuff that just pisses me off, bro. Like, man, can't stand when I'm right, but I can't get in on it. We're not too far away now. Yes, please, just drop, please. I beg you. Come back to where I can get in. That's all I ask. Not asking for anything crazy. Like I said, we take this high. I'm calling it a day. Not trading. Well, not going to be looking for anything after that. This is really like the objective that I want to see. So, once it takes that, I'm good. If it doesn't come back to my point of interest where I'll be looking to get in by 11:30, I'll be good then, and I won't trade PM. Like, this has to, it literally has 45 minutes to make up its mind, right? Like, if I'm in a trade going into 11:30, obviously I'll hold it. But I'm not going to be taking the trade after 11:30. I'm not doing that. So, this thing has to come back. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. And again, got so close. A point and a quarter away from tapping that fair value gap down there, bro. Insane. Literally insane that it did not tap it, bro. gold is about 1 point away from hitting that objective I talked about last week. Yes. Come on, little fella. Macro in a minute and a half. My hopes for this are very low, bro. The macro will literally have to make this fall off a cliff, tap this fair value gap, and then go. In order for me to take a trade, probably. I'm like, bro, where did I put my phone at? I think we're cooked, y'all. I think he's just gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think it's coming back, which is irritating. Let me see what this guy's doing. Let me pull up his thing. Yep. I think we're gone, which is freaking stupid, bro. Got the draw on liquidity right past couple days, bro. Just haven't been able to get into the freaking move because it wants to do stupid stuff, bro, like this. Like, you get a 1.25 away from tapping that fair value gap. 1.25, bro. Freaking dumb. That's the stuff that pisses me off, man. I know I sound sick. Shocker. Everyone around here has freaking COVID. Who knows if I have COVID? I guess we'll have to check. Let me pull up this guy's stream, bro. Let's see what he's talking about.
Contradictory, right? I would say the most contradictory ones are like premium and discount, OTE versus like market maker buy or sell model, right? So just going off those price action models alone.
Oh, he was looking for the same thing I was looking for. Shocker.
But are you in short? Did they remember when 9/11
Because the
happened?
draw is clear as
Obviously, there's always
day,
going to be
bruh. And they didn't want to let us in. See, if I was, oh, I gotta get in, right? We would enter. But okay, I feel like we're so close right there. Let's go to the practice account, bruh. Guarantee you it's gonna hit that. This is the practice, y'all. This is the practice. Let's make sure this is clear. This is the practice account. All right, this ain't the actual account I'm trading. This is the practice account, okay? I just want to see if this is gonna work to go ahead and get up here. I would never take this on my actual account. But since we're so close, I'm like, shoot, might as well give it a shot. This is horrible risk to reward, okay? This is not an actual trade. Practice account just like doing stuff. Like if I feel like I'm itching to press a button, bro, I'll go to the practice account just so I can press one and get it over with. You know what I'm saying? We'll just see. But as I said, this is my draw right here. I'm about to just go back to here, bro, and look in disgust at what just happened right here. Had the draw right. I went over why I felt like this was the draw at the beginning of the stream, like I always do. And unfortunately, once again, I'm not able to capitalize on a move going up there, bro. Because price did not do what I needed it to do. Right? I didn't want to get in on this inverse that I was looking at earlier because, you know, I didn't want to jump the gun. And I wanted a little bit more confirmation. But if I would have, theme of the past couple of months, if I would have taken this inverse play, it would have passed the combine, guys. Theme of the month. Theme of the past couple of months, actually. So let's go ahead and watch me be right once again. And then once we see this get hit, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream, guys. Just disappointed. Again, let me go ahead and delete this because it ain't coming back. But let me just show you guys once again. Okay. We got a point and a half, not even a point and a half, a point and a quarter away from me looking to enter, right? 49.50. Opening this fair value gap is at 48.25. We got a point and a quarter away from tapping that and me looking to go long. We just couldn't do that. We just couldn't do that extra point. Disgusting, bro. Disgusted. But yeah. We're just going to watch this get hit. Watch me be right. And end the day. Well, end the stream. And the trading day because I'm not trading PM. she goes, ladies and gentlemen. Almost there. And look at gold. It just hit its objective. I don't know if you guys have ever seen someone be so right and not capitalize on any of it, bro. That's crazy. The past couple of days, I've been right more times than not. And this isn't me trying to be like, oh, look at me, I'm such a great trader, right? Because obviously, there have been days where I've been wrong, a string of days where I've been wrong, a string of weeks where I've been wrong. But it's just so crazy to me how, like, I can have things right and not capitalize on it. And like today for sure is not even my fault on this part. Like Friday, I can definitely see why, someone would be like, well, yeah, Chris, you could have caught something there. And I agree 100% with Friday. But today, it just did not do what I needed it to do, bro. It just didn't do it at all. The only thing we can hope for right now is like it'll leave a relative equal high, come all the way back down, give us an entry, all within the next 30 minutes. That's the only thing we can hope for right now. All within the next 30 minutes. So, like I said, I'm staying on till 11:30 or until that objective gets hit. Just tap this 5 minute fair value gap. I think that's what's gonna send it up there. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The objective is hit. And with that, I must end the stream because I am not about to get caught up trying to figure out where it's going to go next. I'm going to go ahead and let this play out however it wants to play out. But that is what I wanted to see get hit. And unfortunately, it is another day where I cannot capitalize on what I wanted to see, even though what I wanted to see was correct. That is unfortunate. And yeah. So I'll be back again tomorrow, as long as I'm not just feeling horrible. I'll be back again tomorrow. When are we going to pass this combine? That is a great question, ladies and gentlemen. This right here, if we would have got what I wanted to see right here, would have passed it today. But yeah, I'm not gonna stick around and figure out what they're gonna do. Plus, we got Powell speaking at 12 o'clock, so who knows what he's about to do. But yeah, irritating. It's an irritating day. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would have felt better if this just would have took off, right, and just didn't even act like it was gonna come back. The fact that we got a point and a quarter away from tapping, and then it just decided to go, like, that is the irritating part. So it is what it is. I'm gonna show back up tomorrow and see what we can get. Appreciate y'all tapping in, showing up to the live, showing love, chatting. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's stream.